If you've ever stared at ChatGPT thinking, I have no idea what to ask this thing, you're not alone. I used to think I needed some special tech gene to get AI. Turns out, I was completely wrong. After working with hundreds of people who felt exactly the same way, I discovered something surprising. The people crushing it with AI aren't the tech wizards. They're the ones who shifted how they think about it entirely. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. So in this video, I'm going to share the 5 game-changing mindsets that will transform how you use AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney in your everyday life. No coding, no technical background required. We're going to explore research-backed approaches that will help you see AI as your creative partner, boost your productivity, and unlock ideas you never thought possible. By the end, you'll have a complete mental framework for confidently using AI in your projects, work, and creative endeavors. First up, we're diving into the curiosity mindset, and this one alone will change how you approach every AI interaction you have. Embrace curiosity and experimentation. Here's the thing about AI that nobody tells you up front. It's not a mystery you need to solve. It's a friendly puzzle waiting for you to play with it. The first mindset that separates AI-fluent people from everyone else is pure curiosity, coupled with a willingness to experiment without fear of making mistakes. Research shows that people who approach AI with what psychologists call a growth mindset, believing they can improve through practice, actually end up experimenting more with AI tools and learning through trial and error. But here's where it gets interesting. Experts describe the most successful AI users as scrappy, and that's exactly the energy you want to bring to this. Think of it like learning to cook without following a recipe perfectly every time. You start with something simple, see what happens, adjust, and try again. When I first started with ChatGPT, I asked it to help me plan weekend activities. The first response was generic and boring, but instead of giving up, I got more specific. Plan a creative Saturday afternoon for someone who loves art, but has a tight budget in downtown. Suddenly, the suggestions became brilliant. This is your practice ground. Every conversation with AI is a safe experiment where there are literally no dumb questions. Try asking ChatGPT about your hobbies, your dinner plans, or that project you've been putting off. When the answer isn't quite right, and it won't be at first, that's your cue to rephrase and iterate. Think of it as having a conversation rather than taking a test. The beautiful part about this curiosity-driven approach is that you're building real fluency while the tools continue evolving rapidly around you. Each small experiment teaches you something new about how AI thinks and responds, and that knowledge compounds over time. Team up with AI now. This next mindset is where most people get stuck, but once you shift this perspective, everything changes. Stop thinking of AI as either a threat to your job or some all-knowing oracle that you have to defer to. Instead, imagine you have an expert consultant sitting right next to you, someone you can bounce ideas off, brainstorm with, and collaborate alongside. I like to think of it as having a virtual expert in whatever field I need help with. When I'm writing, ChatGPT becomes my writing partner. When I'm planning a trip, it's my travel advisor. The key insight here is that marketing experts have discovered something powerful. When you think of AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement, you create better results because you're combining AI's processing power with your human creativity and judgment. Here's how this plays out in real life. Let's say you're drafting an important email. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you might say, ChatGPT, I need to write to my team about a project delay. Here's the situation. Then you work together on the draft. The AI handles the initial structure and language, while you add your personal touch, company context, and emotional intelligence. But wait until you see this. The collaboration doesn't stop there. You can give feedback just like you would to any teammate. This sounds too formal. Make it more conversational. Or, great start. But can you expand on the timeline part? This back and forth dynamic is where the magic happens, because you're amplifying your own capabilities rather than replacing them. Remember, you're always in control of this collaboration. AI excels at generating options, researching, and drafting, but you bring the strategic thinking, brand voice, and ethical considerations that make the final result uniquely yours. This partnership approach transforms AI from an intimidating technology into a powerful extension of your own creativity. Spark creativity and ideas. Here's where things get really exciting, and this might surprise you. Researchers at Rice University made a fascinating discovery. People using ChatGPT consistently generated more creative ideas for everyday tasks than those working alone. We're talking about practical creativity, gift ideas, recycling solutions, party themes, the kind of creative thinking you actually use in real life. What's happening here is that AI excels at combining concepts in ways your brain might not naturally connect. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never gets tired and can instantly access thousands of different perspectives and approaches. But here's the crucial part. AI provides the raw creative material, and your human creativity shapes it into something meaningful and personal. Let me show you how this works in practice. Say you're planning a birthday celebration and feeling stuck. Instead of Googling birthday party ideas and scrolling through the same generic suggestions everyone else sees, you can have a creative conversation. ChatGPT, brainstorm unique birthday celebration ideas for someone who loves astronomy but prefers small gatherings. Suddenly, you're getting suggestions that mix stargazing themes with intimate party formats, combinations you might not have considered. The real breakthrough comes when you take AI's suggestions and start mixing them together. Maybe it gives you 5 different approaches, and you realize that elements from 3 of them could create something completely new and perfect for your situation. This is where your human creativity takes center stage, using AI's suggestions as creative building blocks. For visual creativity, tools like MidJourney work the same way. You can't draw, but you can describe what you envision, and the AI brings it to life. Then you iterate, refine, and guide it toward your creative vision. The final result is a collaboration between your imagination and AI's capability. Collaborate with AI to solve problems. Now, this next mindset shift will completely transform how you approach any challenging project or problem. And it's something that even experienced AI users often miss. Instead of just asking AI for answers, start using it as your thinking partner, someone you can literally think out loud with. Here's what I mean by this. When you hit that frustrating wall where you're stuck on a project or staring at a blank page, don't suffer in silence. Open ChatGPT and start explaining your situation exactly as if you were talking to a knowledgeable friend. I'm working on this presentation about quarterly results, and I'm struggling because the numbers are good, but I need to address some challenges we're facing without being too negative. Something remarkable happens when you do this. Sometimes, just the act of articulating your problem helps you see the solution. It's like the AI becomes your rubber duck for debugging, but smarter. Other times, the AI offers perspectives or approaches you hadn't considered. Either way, you break through that stuck feeling and start making progress. What makes this approach so powerful is that you can assign specific roles to ChatGPT to help you think through different angles. Act like an experienced project manager and help me identify potential roadblocks in this plan, or pretend you're my target audience and tell me what questions this presentation doesn't answer. This gives you multiple expert perspectives on demand. The conversation doesn't end with one exchange. You can keep the dialogue going. That's helpful, but what if budget is a constraint? Or can you elaborate on that second point? This iterative thinking process means you're never truly stuck, and you're certainly never starting from a completely blank slate. This collaborative thinking approach transforms problem solving from a solitary struggle into a dynamic conversation where ideas build upon each other naturally. Stay human and verify. Here's the final mindset that ties everything together, and this one is absolutely crucial for long-term success with AI. While you're embracing all these collaborative approaches, you must never lose sight of what makes you irreplaceably human. AI cannot replicate your emotional intelligence, your creative instincts, your understanding of context and nuance, or your ability to connect with other humans authentically. Think of AI like an incredibly sophisticated spell check tool. It can catch errors, suggest improvements, and handle routine tasks. But you decide what stays, what goes, and what direction to take. This means you should always review AI output with a critical eye. If something feels off, trust that instinct. If a fact seems questionable, verify it. If the tone doesn't match your voice, adjust it. Here's what this looks like in practice. When AI generates content for you, whether it's a draft email, a list of recommendations, or even creative ideas, approach it like a skilled editor reviewing someone else's work. Look for accuracy, appropriateness, and authenticity. Ask yourself, does this sound like me? Is this information correct? Does this serve my audience well? The most successful AI users understand that their unique human perspective is what makes the final result valuable. Your empathy helps you understand what your audience really needs. Your experience guides you toward solutions that actually work in the real world. Your creativity takes AI's logical suggestions and transforms them into something inspired and personal. But here's where this gets really powerful. By letting AI handle the routine, time-consuming tasks, you free up mental energy to focus on the high-level thinking, creative connections, and strategic decisions that only humans can make well. This isn't about replacing your capabilities. It's about amplifying them by removing the busy work that gets in the way of your best thinking. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 mindset shifts that will completely transform your relationship with AI. Embrace curiosity and experimentation. Collaborate like you're working with a talented teammate. Harness AI's creative power while adding your human touch. Use AI as your thinking partner for problem solving, and always maintain your human edge while letting AI handle the routine work. The beautiful thing about these mindsets is that they work whether you're writing, creating art, managing projects, or learning something completely new. They're not about becoming more technical. They're about becoming more strategic in how you approach AI as a tool for amplifying your natural capabilities. Now I'm curious, which of these mindsets resonates most with you, and which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing how these approaches work for different people in different situations. If this video helped you feel more confident about diving into AI tools, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps other people discover these insights. And if you want more practical AI advice that cuts through the hype and focuses on real-world applications, subscribe and ring that notification bell. Remember, AI isn't magic, and you don't need to be a tech genius to use it effectively. You just need the right mindset and a willingness to experiment. Let's continue exploring how AI can become a genuine partner in our creativity and productivity. I'll see you in the next video.